Well, Dubai gets a second outlet of Ikea today and it only gets bigger and better. I am at Festival Plaza, Jebel Ali, where a new outlet of Ikea has been launched, and looks like I'm not the only one who's excited, as thousands of people have come for the launch. Let's go. Ikea at Jebel Ali is spread across 35,000 square meters. It's also spread across 2 floors, and it has everything you can think of, from home decor to furnishings, essentials to anything that you may need in your house or your day-to-day life. It's got a marketplace, it's got a warehouse, it's got a kids section, a kids play area, a cafe and a bakery as well. Guys, this is the largest Ikea store in UAE, and I definitely need a big trolley for this. Well, the best part about Ikea is clearly the price tag that it offers. You have stuff ranging from 1 dirham going all the way up to, or rather over 10,000 dirhams. There's something for everyone. It's the kind of a place where you'll be confused when to stop. Well, now even though they have a lot of options, you can also customize the kind of sofa that you may need. The best part is that this is the first store to have a cafeteria with a direct access, which means you don't have to get inside the store to enjoy the famous meatballs or the 1 dirham ice cream. I'm definitely going to get one for myself. I was a bit worried about how long it will take to make the payment and leave, but there's also an express checkout here, so let's do an express checkout. Wow, isn't that simple? You just got to scan the barcode and make the payment to your debit or credit card. Well, I had a great time shopping here, but if you enjoyed watching this video, remember to like, share and subscribe to Quality as Dubai. Until then, it's me, Kamya Chani, signing off.